everybody! How are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make 애호박 새우 볶음. 애호박 is zucchini. Zucchini, 새우 is shrimp. So in English, sauteed zucchini and shrimp. Probably you saw in my previous video, I just ate with this side dish and shrimp and zucchini. So some of you guys already asked me, oh, I know all of your recipes, but this is the first time I see it. And then you guys contact me, please, I want to learn how to make it. So probably you'll be so surprised how easy it is. These zucchinis these days really everywhere. You can find this any grocery store, even in farmer's market. So I got this 1 pound. 1 pound exactly I measured. I will make a delicious sauteed zucchini and shrimp. Shrimp is in the refrigerator. Mr. Shrimp, these guys are coming next. Just before cooking, I'm going to bring them. So now let's take care of zucchini first. I just already pre-washed and dried and cut off the stems. And then I like to cut this in half, in lengthwise. You can cut anyway. You can cut just a slice disc style, and then but I usually use this way and diagonally. It doesn't have to be really thin, so a little kind of thick, 1/4 inch thick. So it looks like a lot, but actually after the stir fry, it's really shrunk. Gorgeous color, isn't it? I'm going to add half teaspoon salt and just mix like this. Sooner or later, it's going to sweat. Set aside just 10 minutes. Next, let's crush garlic and sliced onion. 2 large garlic cloves. Around 3-ounce onion. Let's see, this is 1 cup. Just a little less than 1 cup when you slice this. Shrimp. I chose tiger shrimp, black tiger shrimp. That's my favorite shrimp. And because very sweet and very plump and chewy. And this is large size and 8. Each one is 1 ounce. No head but shells. I need to take care of these guys. So shell this shrimp this way, but let's leave this tail. Not easy to shell. That means this shrimp is very fresh. I use really large tiger shrimp, but you guys can use also small shrimp. So now, just now cleaned, but we need to remove the inside the intestine. The back of shrimp, probably you guys know, all the way like this, and open. You see, there's black things that remove. And put there, and these two. You see, it's clean. Nice. Very clean. But they have to pass my exam. Okay, let's wash just quickly. I almost forgot to tell you. Today, this one, I'm using shrimp sauce. This is called in Korean 새우젓, fermented salted shrimp. And this is really tiny shrimp. So let's heat up the pan. Medium high heat. Wait until this pan is hot. You can feel the kind of really heat. And we need vegetable oil, canola oil, corn oil, anything. And 1 tablespoon garlic. This is a lot of water come out, see? And I'm going to I'm not using all this water, just I take it out. You don't have to really squeeze out. Onion. And then shrimp. Shrimp side by side like this. And then I'll just wait, let it cook around 1 minute. You see already this bottom part of shrimp is turned pink. And now turn. I will add 새우젓 1 tablespoon. Tiny shrimp and juice like this. Very salty. You just squeeze this juice. And this stuff I'll just mince. And stir. If you don't have a shrimp sauce, use fish sauce. Meanwhile, I like to also keep stirring like this. Almost cooked all. Nice. Shrimp is already cooked. I need to keep stirring to cook this my zucchini. This is medium heat. Cut. And then turn off. Last touch, you know what it is? Everybody together! Sesame oil. Sesame oil, about 2 teaspoons. So delicious and beautiful, colorful. Onion is translucent and the zucchini is half translucent. Nice. If I keep cooking, it's going to be mushy. And also our shrimp is very, very nice, good looking. I brought a large bowl. You can guess what I'm going to do, how I eat. This is my soup, just a leftover from last night. This is my kimchi soup. I just warmed my rice. Yeah. This is my lunch. I'm so excited. Once I made this 호박 새우볶음, this sauteed zucchini and shrimp, I like to mix something with my rice. So this rice is kind of dry. I like to add my soup a little bit so that easily I can mix. Just a little bit. 콩나물 무침. And 고사리 나물, one break. This gochujang just a little, this amount. And sesame oil. And mix. if you don't make a bibimbap, just as a side dish, enjoy with rice. And leftover, keep in the refrigerator up to 3 or 4 days. I like to taste the shrimp. Some of you guys, oh, Mangchi didn't eat the shrimp. Today we made 애호박 새우볶음, sauteed zucchini and shrimp. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.